Hi guys, this is NG for Tech Delivered. Today we're going to look at something which was once going down there and later got onto our tables. The computer mouse. Yes, let's check in. So before getting into the history, let us first know what is a mouse. A mouse is a pointing device which was developed only to make the accessing of the computer device very easily. This mouse was first invented by Douglas Engelbart in the year 1961 for the company SRI International, which is based in the United States of America. The first mouse was initially made up of wood, not the plastic. So as we all know, a computer mouse is a device which will move its cursor on the screen according to our hand movement. So there are two types of mouse. One is the rolling ball type and the second is the optical type. Based on this, there are more advanced types of mouses like the wireless mouse and also the touchpads which you are using in the laptops. First, let us see about the rolling ball type mouse. 20 years back, this was the only type of mouse available in the market and it had three buttons: left click button, right click button and the middle click button. Inside the mouse, there will be a left click switch, a right click switch and a middle click switch. Along with this, there will be a microchip which is used for the purpose of converting the analog movement information into the digital signals. Apart from these, there will be a rubber ball and also there will be a x-axis wheel which is used to process the information of the movement of the mouse up and down, and also a y-axis wheel which is used to process the information of the movement of the mouse left or right. Coming to the working of this mouse, the clicks made on the button will be recorded by the switches placed inside the mouse. As we all know, the movement will be captured by the x-axis and the y-axis wheels. These wheels will be having n number of spokes. A light emitter and a light receiver will be placed on both sides of the wheel such that moving this wheel will cause the transmission of light to be broken. After this, the mouse sends a set of data into the computer which will be showing the number of times the wheel is breaking the light transmission between the emitter and the receiver. For example, if a wheel breaks the light transmission for 3 times, then the mouse will send the data as 3. And in the output, the cursor will move precisely for the same time in the same direction. One of the serious disadvantages of this mouse is that it can't operate in all the surfaces. It rather requires a mat through which only the ball mouse will operate. But also, gradually it picks up dirt and eventually it will fail to work very sooner than expected. Next up is the optical mouse. An optical mouse is very different from the rolling ball type mouse, both by its construction and also by its working. The middle button which was present in the rolling ball type mouse is not present here. Rather, it will have a scroll switch which is used to scroll down through the pages and also to click on it. The components present inside an optical mouse is very less in number when compared to a rolling ball type mouse. Also, since it is operating in light, there will be a light emitting diode and also a photocell through which the light transmission is happening. Apart from this, there will be a scroll switch and also there will be a microchip which does the operation of translating the analog signal into digital signal. The working of this mouse is very simple and it is very different. A beam of light will be transferred towards the desk through an LED and then the reflected beam will be captured by using a photocell. A lens magnifier is present before the photocell, which is to magnify the intensity of the light entering into the photocell. This is to make sure that we are capturing the hand movements very precisely through the mouse. Next is the wireless mouse. The wireless mouse, as the name suggests, will not be having any wired contact between the mouse and the computer, but the working principle remains the same as that of the optical mouse. The only thing which is changing is the data sending method, which is done through the Bluetooth connection rather than by using a USB. Next is the touchpad mouse. The touchpad mouse is very commonly to be found in all laptops nowadays, but the working principle of this touchpad is very difficult to understand and also to explain. So you can find me talking about this topic in the upcoming videos sooner or later.
So I think you got to know about the different types of computer mouses and their working principles. If you have any doubt, comment me down so that I can get you very quickly to clarify your doubts. Also, like or dislike this video and share this knowledge among your friends so that you can make them say, you are a genius. Still here? You want me to say that? Okay. Go and subscribe the channel Tech Delivered.